They say this is one of the most beautiful islands in the world. Welcome to Palawan, in Southeast Asia, in the Philippines. Crystal clear waters, hidden lagoons, towering limestone cliffs. It almost doesn't feel real. But is it really as breathtaking as people say? Let's find out together. We're starting with what Palawan is best known for, island hopping. Right now, we're in Puerto Princesa, heading out to a tiny island that's actually a sandbar, and it only fully appears during low tide. It's called Luli Island, located in Honda Bay. Honda Bay is one of the most popular island hopping areas near Puerto Princesa, known for its calm, clear waters and easy access to multiple small islands. Scattered across the bay, you'll find a mix of sandbars, coral reefs, and quiet tropical islands, each offering something a little different. And that brings us to our next stop, Coron Island, one of the most beautiful islands in this bay. Unlike some of the smaller sandbars, this island is more developed. You'll find shaded areas, local food, and space to relax or spend a few hours enjoying the tropical setting. The shallow waters here make it perfect for swimming, while just a bit further out you can explore simple snorkeling spots and marine life beneath the surface. Coron Island is a perfect mix of comfort and tropical beauty. Calm waters, soft sand, and just enough facilities to relax and enjoy the island at your own pace. Below the surface is the highlight: coral, marine life, and an incredible amount of fish. The main activity here is snorkeling and feeding them up close. We're now leaving Puerto Princesa behind and making our way north toward El Nido. A completely new landscape is waiting for us up ahead. The journey from Puerto Princesa takes over 5 hours by minibus, and by the time we reach El Nido, the sky is already glowing with the colors of sunset. Still full of excitement after the long ride, we head straight to the shore, Coron Beach, famous for its calm waters and unforgettable sunsets over the bay. The perfect way to end the day. Just a short ride north of El Nido town, about 40 to 45 minutes by scooter, lies one of the most beautiful beaches in the area, Nacpan Beach. This place is often described as one of the best beaches in Palawan, a stunning 4-kilometer stretch of soft white sand, lined with coconut palms and very inviting blue water. Despite its popularity, the beach is so long that it never really feels crowded. You can always find your own quiet spot and just enjoy it. For many travelers, this is the kind of place that truly feels like paradise. Despite its natural beauty, Nacpan Beach is still quite undeveloped. You'll find only a few small beach bars and basic facilities, which helps keep the area peaceful and close to nature. There are no big resorts or heavy infrastructure here, just a simple, laid-back setup that fits perfectly with the untouched feel of the beach. Interesting thing is also that it's still part of a local fishing community, so early in the morning you might see fishermen heading out or bringing in their catch along the shore. It gives the place a more authentic feel, mixing everyday local life with one of the most beautiful beaches in Palawan. Nacpan is also part of the famous Twin Beaches, together with Kalitang Beach just next to it, where two coastlines meet in one stunning viewpoint. The waves here are usually gentle, making it great for swimming, long walks, or just relaxing under the palm trees. It's one of those places you just don't want to leave. We're back in El Nido, and today we're heading out to one of the most photogenic spots in the area. Once again, it's time for island hopping, so we board our boat and set off to enjoy another incredible day out on the water. This is the famous Tour A, the most popular island hopping route in El Nido. We'll also compare it with other tours along the way, but this one is known for its stunning stops and incredible scenery. And we're starting with our first destination, often called Gigi's Beach. It's a small beach surrounded by dramatic rock formations and the calm, sheltered bay that makes it perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The underwater life here is surprisingly rich, with coral reefs close to the shore and schools of fish that often gather around the boats. It's a peaceful first stop that immediately shows why island hopping in El Nido is so special. Right across from Gigi's Beach is Shimizu Island, a beautiful limestone island that also serves as the lunch stop on this route. The crew prepares a fresh, island-style meal right on the beach, giving everyone a chance to recharge before the next stops. While we wait, we take in the crystal-clear water, the calm bay, and the dramatic scenery all around us. And we've arrived. This is the spot that put El Nido, and maybe even Palawan, on the world map. The Big Lagoon is a breathtaking natural wonder, hidden between towering limestone cliffs. As the sunlight shifts throughout the day, the water changes its shades of blue and green, creating almost unreal colors on the surface. Our last stop of the day is the beach closest to the mainland, Seven Commandos Beach. As you can see, it's quite lively here, partly because many tour boats return at the same time, letting people enjoy the final golden light of the day. The beach itself is beautiful. Long stretches of white sand, clear water, and a relaxed tropical vibe. Some people are playing volleyball, others are snorkeling close to shore, while many just sit back and enjoy the last moments of sunshine. We're starting a new day, and welcome to Entalula Island. Part of the famous Tour B, this island is often considered one of the most beautiful in the area and is regularly featured in travel rankings and articles about the most stunning beaches in Palawan. Known for its dramatic limestone cliffs, powdery white sand, and crystal clear water, it's a place that truly feels like a hidden paradise. But we'll let you see it and judge for yourself. The bar is set high, but we're moving on. This is Snake Island. Despite the name, it's not about snakes at all. It actually comes from its unique S-shaped sandbar, which stretches across the water and connects two islands together. From above, you can clearly see the shape, with calm, shallow waters on both sides. The area is known for its clear sea, beautiful sand, and even starfish scattered along the shoreline. It's one of those places where the water is so clear, you can see all the way down to the seabed. The sandbar doesn't always look the same. Its shape can slightly change depending on the tides, which makes every visit a bit different. It's also a great spot for a short walk across the sandbar. We also have our lunch stop on the boat, a full, rich buffet prepared by the crew right here in the middle of the islands. We're heading to our next stop, a place that, like every island so far, has a beautiful beach, but also hides something truly unique within its towering limestone walls. We squeeze through a narrow opening in the rocks, the only entrance into this majestic Coron cave. Inside it feels different, tall, echoing chambers, a noticeable drop in temperature, and even the presence of bats above us. At Coron Beach, macaques often move through the trees above the shore, while people relax below. Beneath the surface, there's a rich underwater world, making it a great spot for snorkeling. This massive rock rising straight out of the ocean is Cathedral Island. It's known not only for its dramatic limestone formation, but also for the hidden cave inside, which adds another layer of mystery to this already striking place. Next to it, there's a great snorkeling spot known as Turtle Bay, famous for its coral gardens. Next up is Helicopter Island, and at this point we've already transitioned into Tour C. Island is named after its shape. From a distance, the limestone cliffs resemble a helicopter resting on the water. Surrounded by deep blue sea, it's also known for its clear waters and great snorkeling right off the shore. Besides the famous Big Lagoon, El Nido hides many other stunning lagoons as well. Right now, we're looking at Cadlao Lagoon. Smaller, but just as magical, with calm waters and that incredible turquoise color. We leave the open sea behind and slip into something hidden. A narrow opening in the limestone walls is the only clue that this place even exists, and suddenly, we emerge into Hidden Beach. A secret stretch of white sand, completely enclosed by towering cliffs, with calm, glass-like water. Like Entulula, this beach is widely recognized and often featured in travel rankings as one of the most stunning hidden spots in Palawan. Leaving Hidden Beach behind, we continue our journey along the towering limestone cliffs. We also pass by the beautiful Star Beach, where the clear water meets the shoreline, in perfect contrast from the drone's perspective. We've now arrived at Talisay Beach, a quiet stop tucked between the limestone cliffs of the Bakwit archipelago, surrounded by clear water and that typical untouched island scenery. Compared to the more famous spots around El Nido, this one feels a bit more relaxed and less crowded, a nice pause in between the bigger highlights of the day. Beauty isn't just above the surface, it continues underwater as well. The area is known for its clear waters and healthy marine life, with coral patches, starfish, and even sea urchins scattered across the seabed. What makes this place even more special is its raw, natural feel. Island hopping here truly shows why El Nido is still worth a visit. The kind of natural beauty you come across in places like this is something you'd struggle to find anywhere else in the world. Now we're heading into the center of everything, the busy little heart of El Nido. The town is still growing and developing, but there's already a constant buzz in the air. We'll grab some lunch here and then head down to the main town beach, right in the middle of it all. The main beach in El Nido stretches right along the town, blending everyday local life with the calm of the sea. It's not the most remote or untouched, but that's exactly what makes it special. Boats coming and going, locals relaxing by the shore, and the mountains of Bakwit Bay rising in the distance. It's a simple place, but a perfect spot to pause, watch the water, and take in the atmosphere of the town. Just a short walk from the beach, we reach the port, where our bags are checked and everything starts to feel a bit more real. It's time to leave El Nido. Ahead of us is a boat journey of around 4 hours, taking us further north in Palawan to Coron, another destination known for its incredible landscapes. We can't wait. Coron is known for a completely different kind of scenery, dramatic limestone cliffs, crystal clear lakes, and some of the best snorkeling and diving spots in the Philippines. As the day comes to an end, we settle in for dinner and start looking forward to what tomorrow will bring. And here we are. Welcome to the Island Escapade Tour in Coron. Our first stop takes us to Malcapuya Island. Malcapuya is known for its long stretch of soft white sand and crystal clear turquoise water. It's one of the most beautiful islands around Coron, with a wide, open beach that feels both peaceful and spacious. With gentle waves and plenty of room to relax, it's the kind of place where you can slow down and simply enjoy the surroundings. Let's take a quick look at the Island Escapade Tour and what is it about. Unlike the lagoon-focused tours, this one is all about open sea, remote islands, and long, white sand beaches. It usually includes 3 island places, each offering a slightly different view of this part of Palawan. It's a more relaxed kind of day, focused on swimming, beach time, and simply enjoying the open island scenery. We move on to the next one, Bulalakaw Island, a larger island compared to the previous one. Our focus here is Coco Beach, a well-known lunch stop on the tour. There are simple huts where you can even stay overnight, but don't expect luxury. Everything here is raw, basic, and truly authentic. It's all about that untouched island vibe, and that's exactly what makes it special. At Coco Beach, calm, shallow waters, coconut trees, and a raw island atmosphere come together to create a simple but unforgettable tropical escape. Just a few steps from the shore, the world already changes beneath your feet. Crystal clear water reveals shallow coral gardens, full of color and life just below the surface. So close, you don't even need to dive deep to see them. And here we are at our next stop, possibly the most beautiful at first sight, but also the smallest one. This is the stunning sandbar of Ditaytayan Island. During busy hours, it can be hard to have it all to yourself, but even so, there's still a sense of calm here, where you can step away from everything, feel the wind, and just take in the open sea around you. A simple place, but with a very peaceful kind of beauty. One of the most striking things about Ditaytayan Island is how the sandbar changes with the tide. At low tide, it stretches long and wide, almost like a white bridge in the middle of the sea. The water on both sides shifts between deep blue and bright turquoise, creating a contrast that makes this place feel almost unreal from above. Back on Coron mainland, the beaches aren't quite as striking as the island stops we've seen before, but there's still something worth seeing just off the coast. Near Cabo Beach lies the Siete Pecados Marine Park. One thing that definitely deserves a mention in Coron is the hike up Mount Tapias. It's about 700 plus steps leading up to the top, where a large cross overlooks the entire town and surrounding islands. The viewpoint is especially popular at sunrise and sunset, and at night, the cross is even illuminated, visible from far across Coron. It's a simple climb, but the view at the top makes it absolutely worth it. So this has been our nearly 2 weeks in Palawan. Just a small glimpse of what this island has to offer, but enough to stay with us for a long time. Palawan isn't just a place you visit, it's a feeling you take with you. And somehow, it already feels like we'll be back one day.